Welcome to this video on accelerating large language models at scale using AMD's ROCm platform. As AI workloads continue to grow in complexity and size, the need for efficient and scalable computing solutions has become increasingly important. In this video, we'll explore how ROCm can help you accelerate your training and inference tasks with its support for vLLM on AMD GPUs. The vLLM is a type of large language model that uses vector-based computations to improve efficiency. This approach allows for faster processing times and improved accuracy in inference tasks. The vLLM can be applied to various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and more. The ROCm platform is an open-source GPU platform that supports multiple programming languages and frameworks. This allows developers to write code in their preferred language while still taking advantage of the performance benefits offered by AMD's GPUs. To get started, you'll need to install the ROCm software stack on your system. Next, set up a PyTorch environment that includes ROCm support. Finally, deploy your vLLM model using the ROCm platform. Using the vLLM with ROCm offers several benefits, including improved efficiency in inference tasks, reduced latency and improved accuracy, and support for multiple programming languages and frameworks. In conclusion, the vLLM is a powerful tool for accelerating large language models. By using ROCm as your computing platform, you can take advantage of its support for vLLM on AMD GPUs. We encourage you to get started with vLLM and ROCm today. Thank you for watching this video on accelerating large language models at scale using AMD's ROCm platform. Join the #AMDevs community to connect with other developers and learn more about AI computing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides on GPU development.